In a quiet village, the morning sun rose gently. People began their daily tasks with energy. Farmers headed to their fields. Shopkeepers opened their doors. Children played while waiting for school. Among them sat a young man named Noah. Noah was healthy and strong, but he often avoided work. He was known as the laziest boy in the village. Noah dreamed of a comfortable life. He wanted riches and success, but he did not want to work for them. He hoped luck would bring everything to his feet. Neighbors offered Noah small chances to earn money. Some gave him chores, hoping he would learn, but Noah usually said no. He preferred to sit and imagine a better future without effort. One day, a kind woman from the village brought baskets of fresh vegetables. She gave them to those in need. Noah heard and went to the market. He waited quietly and received a basket of vegetables. Delighted, Noah hurried home with his prize. He planned to sell the vegetables and earn money. At home, he placed the basket on the table carefully, his mind filled with dreams of wealth. He thought,
"If I sell these, I will have some money. With that money, I can buy seeds. I will plant them in my garden. Soon, I will grow enough vegetables to sell every week. Then, I will buy animals and start a farm. People will come to me for fresh produce. I will become rich and live happily."
Noah's imagination soared with hopes. He pictured himself in a big house, with many friends and comforts. But the next morning, accidents happened. Noah forgot to water the seeds. The plants wilted and died. His dreams felt far away. Noah felt disappointed and sad. He cleaned the dead plants and thought deeply. He looked outside and saw villagers working hard. They tended fields, repaired homes, and sold goods. Noah understood that success does not come without work. Dreams need effort to become real. Friends, sometimes we want great things to happen without trying. We wait for luck or magic instead of taking action. But only through patience and effort do we achieve our goals. If we want to grow, we need dedication. If we want to win, we need persistence. If we want a bright future, we must start today. No one reaches the stars by sitting idle. Our actions build the path to our destiny. Let's learn some new words from today's story. Dedication, giving your best effort and time to something important. Example, her dedication to learning made her a great artist. Basket, a container made from woven material. Example, he carried apples in a basket. Wilted, to become weak or dry from lack of water. Example, the flowers wilted under the hot sun. Persistence, continuing to try even when things are hard. Example, his persistence helped him finish the race. Neighborhood, the place where people live near each other. Example, the neighborhood was full of friendly families. Disappointed, feeling sad because things did not go as hoped. Example, she was disappointed when her friend couldn't come. Patience, the ability to wait calmly. Example, gardening teaches us patience. Effort, the physical or mental energy used to do something. Example, he put great effort into his schoolwork. Dream, a strong hope or goal for the future. Example, her dream is to travel the world. Today we learn new words and an important lesson. Remember, our future depends on what we do today. Keep practicing English by listening and reading stories. Please like, comment, and share how this story helped you. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Sereon Tales, where we keep learning together.